Hello everyone. Today, we are diving deep into the world of data architecture, exploring an innovative approach called data mesh. It is used to democratize data analytics in an enterprise by empowering individual business domains to create their own data products. But before we get into that, let's address some challenges with the traditional centralized approach to data analytics. Centralized data analytics has a central enterprise-wide data and analytics team to create data pipelines and analytics for various business domains. This centralized approach to data analytics have long been the go-to solution for organizations looking to store and analyze vast amounts of data. However, it comes with its fair share of challenges. One of the main issues is the bottleneck created by a centralized data team. The centralized data and analytics team is often overwhelmed with requests, leading to delays in delivering insights to the business. Moreover, the central data team may lack the domain expertise needed to fully understand the intricacies of the data and its implications for the business. Data mesh helps to resolve these commonly occurring challenges faced by many enterprises. So, what exactly is data mesh? In essence, it's a decentralized approach to data architecture that shifts the focus from a centralized data team to domain-oriented, self-serve data teams. These teams are embedded within business units and have the expertise needed to understand and leverage the data within their specific domains. The benefits of data mesh are numerous. By distributing data ownership and expertise across the organization, data mesh addresses the bottleneck problem of centralized teams. It also ensures that data is managed and governed closer to where it's generated, improving data quality and relevance. Not only does it empower business units to make data-driven decisions faster, but it also fosters a culture of data ownership and accountability. Additionally, data mesh promotes agility and scalability, allowing organizations to adapt to changing business needs more effectively. But when should you consider implementing a data mesh architecture? Generally, data mesh is well suited for large, complex organizations with diverse data needs. It's particularly beneficial in industries where agility and innovation are paramount, such as technology, finance, and healthcare. Now, let's delve into the key components of a data mesh architecture. The key components of a data mesh architecture can be broadly categorized into technical and organizational aspects. Let's delve into each of these components. Domain-oriented data teams. At the core of the data mesh architecture are domain-oriented data teams. These teams are organized around specific business domains or areas of expertise within the organization. Each team is responsible for managing and governing the data within their domain, including data collection, processing, analysis, and consumption. Domain data products. Domain data teams produce domain-specific data products that serve the needs of their respective domains. These data products are designed to be self-contained, reusable, and interoperable, making them easily consumable by other teams across the organization. Examples of data products include curated datasets, analytical models, and data interfaces. Data Mesh Platform. The Data Mesh Platform provides the foundational infrastructure and tools that support domain-oriented data teams in their data management activities. This platform typically includes capabilities such as data integration, data governance, data quality management, data cataloging, data security, and data stores. The platform is designed to be flexible and scalable, allowing it to adapt to the diverse needs of different domains. Data mesh principles and patterns. Data mesh architecture is guided by a set of principles and patterns that promote decentralization, autonomy, and agility. These principles include domain ownership, data as a product, data democratization, self-serve data infrastructure, federated data governance, and data integration patterns. By adhering to these principles, organizations can ensure consistency and alignment across their data mesh implementations. Data mesh operations. Data mesh operations encompass the day-to-day activities involved in managing and governing data within the data mesh architecture. This includes tasks such as data ingestion, data processing, data storage, data access control, data quality check, and data pipeline monitoring. Automated tools and processes are often employed to streamline these operations and ensure efficiency and reliability. Cross-domain data collaboration. Collaboration between domain-oriented data teams is essential in a data mesh architecture. Cross-domain data collaboration involves sharing data, insights, best practices, and designing reusable data assets across different domains to drive innovation and foster a culture of learning and knowledge sharing. Data mesh platforms often include features that facilitate collaboration, such as data sharing agreements, cross-domain data pipelines, and community forums. By integrating these key components, organizations can build a robust and scalable data mesh architecture that empowers domain-oriented data teams to effectively manage and leverage data to drive business value. You might be wondering, how does data mesh differ from other data architecture approaches like data vault and data fabric? While all three aim to address data management challenges, data mesh focuses specifically on decentralization and domain-oriented data ownership. Data vault, on the other hand, is more focused on data modeling and warehousing, while data fabric emphasizes data accessibility and integration. It is important to note that a hybrid data architecture approach is common in organizations that have good data maturity. This involves starting with a central data platform to hold the common critical data that is used for enterprise-wide analytics. As the data sources to data platform increase, there is requirement for modeling the data in a way that provides flexibility. This leads to utilizing data vault principles in the data model of the data platform. As the data platform matures and there is demand for more number of business domain-specific use cases, the data platform could have data mesh features by having business domain-specific teams creating their data products by leveraging central data platform. In some use case scenarios where data needs to be referred from operational data sources, there could be integration across distributed environments as in data fabric. This is how the data platform gradually matures to accommodate hybrid capabilities of data vault, data mesh and data fabric to serve diverse analytics use cases. Finally, let's touch on some best practices for implementing data mesh. Encouraging collaboration and communication between domain teams is key, as is fostering a culture of experimentation and learning. Additionally, organizations should invest in automation and tooling to streamline data operations and ensure scalability. In conclusion, data mesh offers a promising solution to the challenges of centralized data management. By decentralizing data ownership and expertise, organizations can unlock the full potential of their data assets and drive innovation across the business. If you found this video informative, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content on data architecture and management. Thanks for watching.